This use case answers the question, which research groups are the strongest collaboration candidates? Here, the focus is collaboration fit, not just scientific reputation of a research group. Let's get started. So how to find ideal collaborators? By the way, this is the page that you will receive where we have all these different use cases and where you can see what are the steps to be taken. So we're going to go through this very quickly now. So I search for Mr. A Delivery or RNA Delivery. I find these research groups. I click on a group and I click on collaboration potential. Here, I can list my criteria of interest. Let's say I have 5 criteria. That could be an approach. But we could also list a more extensive explanation of, for example, let's say Novartis, they have certain expertise on this topic, but they also have some gaps related to developing better technology. So I got this data by analyzing the Novartis Profile academic labs to figure out their gaps. So if I just put this here, I can now assess the collaboration potential and I save it. I let AI come up with a query based on what Novartis has as gaps in this research. It comes up with this query, and now I hit evaluate. We have an excellent collaboration fit score. So we have a score per criteria of interest with an explanation and information about the source, addressing the Beyond Liver Challenge central to Novartis goals, etc. So each of those criteria now gets a score and an assessment. So we have a very good idea. Plus, it comes up with ideas on how to position a collaboration in a smart way, how to combine Novartis interest with this group's capabilities, plus how to communicate to this group leader in a smart way to get this person interested. And then you have a final summary. You can then get the email address to actually reach out directly. And if you want to scale this, you already saw it in previous videos, you can just with the AI do this for 10,000 groups or 2,000 in your case, or 50 with a report. And once you do that, it looks something like this. 590 research groups, which I assessed on mRNA delivery. And then we have, for 519 groups, all these scoring, and then the detailed analysis that you can review here. So 590 research groups is of course a lot. So I want to figure out how can I prioritize them. It could already filter by excellent, but I want to have a faster way. So what I did is I uploaded this Excel file into ChatGPT and I said, where's the data? What I want to know. I said, these are the gaps we have at Novartis. And I want to know what are the main complementary archetypes of collaborators? How do they differentiate? And within those, what would be the best groups to collaborate with and why? So then, after 7 minutes of analyzing the data, it comes up with 47 groups, scoring excellent. And of those, these are the 6 archetypes. So different types of expertise, with then some extra information summary. Per archetype shows me the best candidates, the top 3, how they differentiates the confidence about this analysis, and then the other archetypes, etc. So for each archetype, I know exactly who I should best focus on. And then the short list of the key labs here, the top 8. Then some trends across all those challenges, recommendations, etc. So this is something where you could assess hundreds or even thousands of research group collaborators or startup collaborators and have the first assessments and then run it into ChatGPT, for example, to extract exactly what you seek. And that's, by the way, something we will integrate within the platform, all these steps, so that you don't have to take these different steps. Copilot is not great in doing this. Microsoft Copilot compared to ChatGPT. So we will build this into the platform so that eventually you can do this and then you can ask follow-up questions, etc. Try the platform yourself right now by going to our website.